Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to manage bookmarks easily in your Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you open it, go to the left side of your screen, the upper right side of your screen, and as you can see there, it has this three dots. Click on that to see more, and once you click that, look for bookmarks and list. Once you find it, go to the left side of it and click show all bookmarks. So the moment you click that, your bookmarks, the website that you have saved in your bookmarks will appear here below the window search bar. Okay? Which is a very convenient thing to do, but there are some users who have a bunch of bookmarks here listed below the window search bar, which is not the right thing. Okay? So in order to compile all of that, just have to right click here and then go for add folder, and let's say if the bookmarks that you have saved is related to your work, let's just type work to name that work and then saved. Okay, here a new folder named work will appear. Okay, so in order to compile all of those bookmarks, websites, just have to drag it and it will be inside the work. Okay, so that is the very good thing, the very right thing on how to compile all of your bookmarks. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care of yourself.